Welcome back, students, to Standard 10th Maths Chapter 6 Triangles. This is Session 8, Part 8, right? What we learned in the previous session is Theorem 6.1. That is, before we learned, that result is very important. Then we saw some results which are obtained from Theorem 1 statement. Alright? And we saw example 1, which is again a very good result, a new result. Alright? A result obtained from Theorem 6.1. That is what we saw in example 1. Let's recall them. Okay? Children, here is the situation. यहाँ मैं आपको situation देता हूं. एक, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is situation. This is condition. This is what we have in the information, that is in the data. Alright? Then what we get? हमें result क्या मिलता है यहाँ? 1. Then you can say corresponding sides are in proportion. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. AC upon PR. इसको तीन पार्ट में हम कर सकते हैं. कैसे? ये AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. ये दूसरा पार्ट. BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. और ये तीसरा पार्ट. AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR. So actually from this A equal to B equal to C, you can say A equal to B, B equal to C, and C equal to A or A equal to C. So you get three results from there. Alright? So you are getting equal ratios here. If two triangles are similar, then that condition is going to produce three equal ratios. Or you get equal ratios. That's it. Now, another situation. Second. Its figure, I'll draw it in the figure form. This is triangle ABC. And this is line L parallel to BC, intersecting other two sides AB and AC respectively in point M and N. Please watch out, children. It is interesting. This is the condition. A line drawn parallel to a side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in two distinct points. Then ये second में first Theorem 6.1 AM upon MB part upon part AM upon MB is equal to corresponding part AN upon NC. AN upon NC. Second, now lower part, okay, part upon whole AM upon AB. AN, actually it is AM. AM upon, this is part upon whole side, corresponding side. So same way, part AN upon whole side. That is equal to AN upon AC. Right? Third one that we get from here. Now, lower parts, that is part below the line. MB upon AB. MB upon AB is equal to NC upon AC. NC upon AC. Fourth one. Children, ये हमें theorem 6.1 से मिला था. 6.1 से. और ये दो रिजल्ट एग्जाम्पल 2 से मिला था. इलस्ट्रेशन 2 से मिला था. उसमें एक ही प्रूव किया था, दूसरा मैंने बताया था. ओके? और फोर्थ एंड फिफ्थ दैट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट similarity. This triangle is similar to original triangle. Why? This angle is congruent to this. This angle is congruent to this. Why? They are corresponding pairs of angles. Parallel lines. So they are congruent. So by A corollary, triangle AMN is similar to triangle ABC. ये similar मिल जाते हैं. So you get this. AM upon AB. ऊपर से ही लेना है. ये वर्टेक्स से ही लेना है. AM upon AB. AM upon AB. is equal to, children, Mn upon Bc. Mn upon Bc. Alright? Next, this side, An upon Ac. An upon Ac is equal to Mn upon Bc. Mn upon Bc. इसको हम साथ में भी लिख सकते हैं, कैसे? Am upon AB. Am upon AB is equal to An upon AC. An upon AC is equal to Mn upon Bc. Mn upon Bc. Alright, did you understand? Sure. So these are the 5 results that you get. So here, actually, Am upon AB is here. Am upon AB. Am upon AB is here. Then here, An upon AC is the An upon AC. So result number 2, result number 4, result number 5. If you combine, you get this. Okay? So either you say we get 5 results or 3 results in this second condition, second situation. If this is what is given in the given information in the statement, then you get 5 equal ratios. Is that clear to you? Please pay attention. Children, let me tell you one thing. Please try to understand this very well. When we were studying, I should not be comparing at all. Alright? We were explaining very little things. Means, yeah, illustrations were explained and exercises we had to solve. Even difficulties were not solved sometimes. Alright? So we had to struggle, we had to strive to solve the exercises. Of course, the books were different in those days. Alright? Maybe much easier than what we have. But then, still, we were explained. And, well, we would not be able to understand much also. It was tough for us in those days. Alright? Fine. So we struggled to solve the exercise. But we used to remember the result very well. ये result हम बराबर by heart कर देते थे. We used to do the rote learning of result. You ask any result and we would say. That was the advantage. That helped us to struggle and achieve success. You understand? But these days, it is as a teacher, alright, teaching since so many years, recent time students, they understand the thing very well. Alright? Because everything is solved. Illustration, exercises, everything is solved. So they have plenty of explanation to watch. So they understand it very well. But they are the students today, I don't know, should I call lazy or careless? They do not remember these results. कौन से सिचुएशन में कौन सा रिजल्ट आता है वो याद नहीं करते हैं. They don't memorize it. And that's why even most of the question, after solving most of the question, if similar type of question is given to solve, you'll struggle and struggle and struggle, but success does not reach to you. The only reason you cannot write this result in different situations, in different given conditions. So it's my earnest request to you that please learn by heart, memorize all the results that you see, and then you will see in any type of tough situation also you can strive, you can achieve success. Do you understand? Because you know what results to use. Okay? Children, your brain has plenty of space to store your more than pen drive or hard disk. Let me tell you. But you should be prepared to receive it. So if your preparedness is there to receive, everything will be stored and you can recall at any time. Believe me, recalling from the brain is much faster than your computer. But then, yes, that readiness, that preparedness should be there to receive into your brain. There is a lot of space. So use your brain. Be sincere and serious about your studies. Don't let this time fly away. Whatever facility you have got, utilize it nicely. Exploit it, children. Okay? And let me tell those students who are careless or lazy and not watching the videos regularly, please watch the videos. And one thing I think at the beginning of every video, I should say, if you are watching my videos, please watch them in order. And this is session 8. So, if you are watching session 8, you should have watched session 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. If you are a beginner. But you should watch them in proper order. Then you will understand best. Then you will get result best. Alright? Okay, fine. Thank you. Let's see now. We saw example 1 and we got this results from there. Example 1 से ये result मिले थे, right? This one and this one. Now we are going to see example 2 and example 3. I always say illustration, alright? I don't use the word example. Most times I write illustrations. Okay, children, now see. Fine. Children, you will do very quickly. See this. First, example 2, illustration 2. A, B, C, D is a trapezium. Do you know what is trapezium? Yes, a quadrilateral having only one pair of sides, opposite sides parallel. And the other pair of opposite sides are non-parallel. So here is the trapezium. A, B, C, D is a trapezium. Which sides are non-parallel? I ask non-parallel. Yes, AD and BC. And which sides are parallel? AD and BC are not parallel. AB and CD or DC are parallel. With AB parallel to CD. Yeah, AB parallel to CD. E and F are points on non-parallel sides. E and F are points on non-parallel sides, AD and BC respectively. Which means E is a point on AD and F is a point on BC because of this word respectively. So let's take such that EF is parallel to AB. Let's see. I'm taking this point E here on AD and F here on BC such that this EF is parallel to AB. EF is parallel to AB. Is that clear? चलिए अब प्रूव क्या करना है? Show that AE upon ED is equal to BF upon FC. See what you have to prove? I wrote in red so that you can every time focus on it. What we need? Two equal ratios. What we need to prove here? What we need to show here? That the two ratios are equal. In which situation we get equal ratios? Number 1, when two triangles are similar. Number 2, the condition of theorem 6.1. A line parallel to a side to intersect other two sides. Then we get 5 results. Alright? So, which situation is here? क्या दो ट्राइंगल सिमिलर है? मुझे तो एक भी ट्राइंगल नहीं दिखता है. तो सेकंड, क्या ट्राइंगल की एक साइड को कोई साइड पैरेलल है which is intersecting the other two sides? अरे ट्राइंगल ही नहीं है. There is no triangle. So first you will have to form triangle because parallels are given. See, AB is parallel to CD and AB is also parallel to EF. So all three are parallel to each other. There is no doubt about that. Correct? Okay. So we need a triangle. Can you give me idea? कैसे मुझे ट्राइंगल मिल सकता है? Yes, by drawing any diagonal. Which diagonal you want? BD or AC? Alright, AC. AC. I'm going to draw the diagonal AC. By drawing diagonal AC, I got a triangle ADC. I'm getting this triangle. Correct? I got this triangle ADC. Yes, the blue side, your blue line is parallel to CD and it intersects AD and AC in point E, and I will call this point O. Alright? Understood? Sure? So I have the result. देखो यहाँ भी focus करो AE upon ED. Oh, I'm going to get it. AE upon ED is equal to AO upon OC. I'm not getting this, but I'm getting this. Don't worry, preserve it. Alright? Alright? So what I got? AE upon ED is equal to AO upon OC. Result 1 by theorem 6.1. Got it, children? Oh, children, there is another triangle ACB. This one, children, this one. Oh, वहां भी OF is parallel to AB. उल्टा triangle है. OF is parallel to AB. Correct? So you have theorem 6.1. यहाँ focus करो, you will get this from there. Now this time I am taking part upon part. BF upon FC. BF upon FC is equal to, यहाँ से क्या आएगा? AO upon OC. AO upon OC. This is result 2 by theorem 6.1. Got it? Oh children, देख लो AO upon OC, AO upon OC. So transitivity is developed. Now what is transitivity? If A upon B equal to C upon D and C upon D is equal to E upon F, तो आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं A upon B is equal to C upon D is equal to E upon F. आप कोई भी ये दो या ये दो ले सकते हैं. Right? So these two are equal. Yeah, using Euclid's property. Right hand sides are equal, so left hand sides are equal. So straight away we'll say by 1 and 2, it follows that by 1 and 2, it follows that AE upon ED is equal to BF upon FC. Finished. Proved. So you have proved this. Alright. लेकिन आपको बहुत सारी चीजें लिखनी है. Before that, क्या लिखोगे? You are constructing, alright? In trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to CD. 1 by data. Alright? Okay? Let AC. Okay. Therefore, AC is a diagonal. AC is a diagonal. AC diagonal. Let EF, that EF parallel, right? Intersect AC at point O. Okay? Clear? दूसरी बात कि AB is parallel to, AB is also parallel to EF. Result 2. By 1 and 2, it follows that, देखो, AB is parallel to EF. AB is also parallel to CD. So EF is parallel to CD. EF is parallel to CD. Let's call it result 3. Correct? In triangle, therefore, in triangle ADC, we got this AE upon AD, part upon part is equal to part upon part, result 1. And here we'll write in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC. Yes, this part, because we focus here, BF upon CF या FC is equal to AO upon OC. Result 2 by 1 2. Proof. Finish. So this is the proof. Screenshot ले लेना या pause करके ये copy कर लेना. Is that clear? Understood, children? So I remove this part so that I have enough space to prove this. Okay. Wasn't it easy? Yes. It should be, children. Fine. Let's see the next. What is the statement? In figure given below. So figure is given to you. PS upon SQ. PS upon SQ is equal to PT upon TR. Children, equal ratios are given in the condition. We don't have to prove. When ratios are equal, बताइए दो चीज हो सकती है. दो ट्राइंगल जिसके वो साइड्स है can be similar, or that line can be parallel to the third side. Theorem 6.2 वो हो सकता है. Let's see which is applicable. We'll see. Okay. So in the figure below, these two ratios are equal and angle PST. Where is angle PST? PST. This one is equal to angle PRQ. Where is angle PRQ? PRQ. Well, this symbol, that sign shows angle S is equal to angle R. वो prove कर दिया. Sorry, that symbol say clearly it can be seen now. Angle PST is equal to angle PRQ. You can say angle TRQ as well. Anyway, that's it. This is all that is given. Data. Prove that angle PQR is isosceles. See that red statement. Prove that triangle PQR, the big triangle that you see, is isosceles. Can you recall what is isosceles triangle? Yes. Any triangle having two sides equal या congruent is called isosceles triangle. ऐसे this side and this side is congruent, equal, then it is called isosceles. Yeah. When are the two sides equal? ये दो sides कब equal हो सकते हैं? इसके सामने वाला एंगल और ये साइड के सामने वाला एंगल. If those two angles are equal, then these two sides are equal. Recall the result of standard 9. दोनों है. Say suppose this triangle is given and this angle is equal to this angle. Two angles are equal in the same triangle. Then angle, a side opposite to this angle and side opposite to this angle, they are equal. That means two sides are equal. So you can say this is isosceles triangle. Is that clear to you? Yes. तो हमें यहां PQ equal to PR या PQ equal to QR या PR equal to QR प्रूव करना होगा. बट मुझे मेरे पास यहां एक एंगल है R. ये बेस ले लो QR. तो Q and R are base angles. If angle R is equal to angle Q, यदि मुझे मिल गया कि एंगल R is equal to angle Q, then these two angles are equal. Q के सामने वाला साइड PR, एंगल R के सामने वाला साइड PQ, they will be equal. That means the triangle PQR is isosceles. So we can prove it. But what shall we do? Children, ST and QR are two distinct lines and SQ is a transversal. इसको देखो कुछ ऐसा है. इसको आप एक्सटेंड करो तो ये तो ट्रांसवर्सल T हो गया और ये लाइन L और लाइन M हो गया. ऑलराइट. तो ये एंगल और ये एंगल, ये एंगल और ये एंगल, they will be corresponding pair of angles and corresponding pairs of angles are congruent. But if these two lines are parallel, हमको line ST is parallel to line QR, that is not given. So first you will have to prove that, and that is proved automatically by theorem 6.2. PS upon SQ is equal to PT upon TR. This is what we have in the data. So ST is parallel to QR. Are you getting me? Now ST is, so line ST is parallel to line QR. And a line SQ is, they are transversal. So angle PST is equal to angle SQR. This angle. They are equal. इसका जो symbol है वही symbol मैं यहाँ कर देता हूँ. Are you getting me? So this angle is equal to this. This angle is equal to this. That means these two are also equal because of transitivity. If these two angles are equal, PR, the side opposite to angle Q, and PQ, the side opposite to angle R, are equal. So PR equal to PQ in triangle PQR. So it is isosceles triangle. Are you getting me? Let's see. I'm going to write in detail. Data, I think you can write. Okay, PS. Okay, I'll write. In triangle PQR, PS upon PT is equal to PS upon SQ is equal to PT upon TR, and angle PST is equal to angle PRQ. To prove triangle PQR is isosceles. This is what you have to prove. Now proof. चलिए डेटा को एक्सप्लॉइट करिए. ये दो इसको ले लेते हैं. सो ट्राइंगल में ST will be parallel to QR. In triangle PQR, PS upon SQ is equal to PT upon TR. Result 1. And angle PST is equal to angle PRQ. Result 2. When we need them, we'll pick up in the form of result 1 and result 2. Alright. Yes, PS upon SQ is equal to PT upon TR. That is in the 1. By 1, it follows that ST is parallel to QR. ST is parallel to QR. Result 3. By theorem 6.2. You got parallel, so now that transversal. Now, SQ is transversal of ST parallel to QR. Therefore, angle PST is equal to angle SQR. Please, we don't want SQR. We want PQR. Okay? We can write SQR or PQR is one and the same because P dash S dash Q. Therefore, I continue here. Angle PST is equal to angle PQR. Result 4. Because P dash S dash Q. Alright? चलिए. Result 2 में है, this angle is this angle. Alright? And result 4 में, this same angle is this angle. So they are equal. So by 2 and 4, by results 2 and 4, it follows that बोलिए angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. I hope you have understood this. This angle is equal to angle S. This angle, this we proved. This angle is also equal to angle S. This is in the given data. So these two angles are equal. i.e. in triangle PQR, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Therefore, PQR, Q here, उसके सामने वाली side, PR is equal to. Now this is R, उसके सामने वाली side, PQ. Therefore, two sides are equal. Therefore, triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Prove. Prove. By definition. This is definition. Alright. So please pause the video and copy this proof also. Everything should be copied in your notebook, please. I am going to ask your books. Yes, you have to come and submit the book on the day I tell you, please. Okay. Alright children, so we move further and we are going to solve exercise 6.2. In the first question, figures are given. Alright, figures are given and you have to find EC here and AD here. What is AD in this case? Alright, so simple, you use the result now. What you can see here, DE, that is given in the statement. DE is parallel to BC. When you have a line parallel to a side of a triangle and intersecting the other two sides, then we can use result of theorem 6.1. Not 1, not 2, we have 5. Let's say AD upon BD, that is part upon part, is equal to AE upon EC. 1. AE upon side is equal to AE upon side. Result 2. Okay? Result 3. BD upon side is equal to EC upon side. Side is AC. Alright? Result 3. Then from similarity, AD upon side is equal to DE upon BC. Result 4. Now result 5. AE upon whole side. ये वर्टेक्स से ही लेना है वो. Is equal to DE upon BC. देखते हैं हमें क्या प्रूव करना है. EC कहाँ है EC? ये E और ये C. This is what you want. Correct? EC. Fine. What is AD? 1.5. What is BD? 3. What is AE? 1. And what is EC? To be found. अरे रिजल्ट तो मिल गया. AD upon BD is equal to AE upon EC. Correct? Okay, these are 1 mark questions, so you have to write directly. So I am writing directly here. AD upon BD is equal to AE upon EC. What you want to find? Circle. पहले इन्वर्टेंडो कर लो, ऊपर कर दो उसको. Therefore, BD upon AD is equal to EC upon AE. ये ऊपर आ गया इन्वर्स करने से. Okay, put the value. What is BD? 3 upon. What is AD? 1.5. If you 1.5, if you remove decimal from down, up you have 10. Correct? Is equal to EC upon AE. That is 1. Bring this 1 on other side. Doesn't make any difference. 5 2s are 5 3s are. 3 and 3 cancels. So 2 is equal to EC. i.e. EC is equal to 2. Solved. So simple. Correct? चलिए इसकी बात. AD कहाँ है AD? ये रहा D और ये रहा A. This is what you have to find. Again you got the result, children. AD upon BD is equal to AE upon AC because D is parallel. That is given in the data. I didn't write, but it is given in the data. Alright? Okay. So AD upon BD is equal to AE upon EC. This is what we have to find. वो न्यूमरेटर में ही है, so इन्वर्टेंडो करने की जरूरत नहीं है. And the rest 3 values are known here also. इसके अलावा 3 values known थी. यदि if it is not available directly from the statement, then you may get indirectly. As for example, suppose यहाँ AB नहीं दिया है, but you can always get it 3 plus 1.5, that is 4.5. So यदि आपको AB utilize करना है, तो you can get that. Okay. Same way, here AC if you want to find, you can get it indirectly because AE and EC are given. We'll see further those type of questions we are going to see. चलिए, AD we have to find. BD it is 7.2. 7.2. Okay, I'm writing 7.2 right now. AE, it is 1.8. I'm removing the decimal, so upon 10. And EC, it down. EC, that is 5.454 or upper and 10 cancel. 18 ones are 18 threes. Therefore, AD is equal to cross multiply 7.2 ऊपर गया तो नीचे 10 आएगा और नीचे 3 है ऑलरेडी 3 ones are 3 twos are 4s are 24 upon 10 that is 2.4. So AD is 2.4 units, 2.4 centimeter, whatever is given. Is that clear to you? Sure. We proceed further in the exercise 6.2. Question number 2. Let's read and see what we have to do here. E and F are the points on the sides PQ and PR. There are two sides PQ and PR respectively of triangle PQR. That means E is on PQ and F is on PR of triangle PQR. Let's draw the figure. This is triangle PQR. E is a point on PQ and F is a point on PR. Alright? EF is parallel to PR. ऐसा नहीं दिया, sorry QR ऐसा नहीं दिया है. For each of the following cases, state whether EF is parallel to QR. Whether EF is parallel to QR. If I draw line segment EF, is it parallel to QR? Yes, if any one pair of equal ratios, okay, any one pair of equal ratios of those 5 is satisfied. वो 5 में से कोई भी एक रेशियो satisfy हुआ तो parallel, otherwise not. Okay, generally we'll need only 2. First, if PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR, yes, the red segment is parallel. The red line is parallel to QR. If PE upon PQ is equal to PF upon PR, then also EF will be parallel to QR. If EQ upon PQ is equal to FR upon PR, then also it's parallel. ये तीन में से कोई भी एक मिल जाएगा. Let's see case 1. Case 1. PE is 3.9. I'm writing it here as it is. EQ, this one, this is 3. PF 3.6 and FR 2.0. Just check. PE upon EQ. Find out. 3.9. So remove decimal. In the denominator you will have 10. Upon EQ, which is 3. 3 ones are 3 13s are. So it is 13 upon 10. 13 upon 10. That is the ratio. Let's find out PF upon FR. PF is 3.6. Remove the decimal upon 10. This is 2 point. FR is 2.4. So up in the numerator you will have a 10. 10 cancels. 6 O's are 6 6's are 2 2's are 2 3's are. This is 3 upon 2. Are these two ratios equal? No, these two ratios are not equal. So PE upon EQ is not equal to, yeah, PE upon EQ is not equal to PF upon FR. Children, if one of these 5 ratios is not equal, the remaining 4 also would be not equal. So don't worry about that. So here you can say EF is not parallel to QR. EF is not parallel to QR. Is that clear? That was case 1. Now let's see case 2. PE. I'll erase this part also. PE. I'll take black pen. Yes. PE, here this PE 4 centimeter, QE that is 4.5 centimeter, PF that is 8 and RF 9. Again check. Children, I can do quickly now. 4 upon 4.5. If I remove decimal, ऊपर 10, correct? और उसके बाजू में ही लिख दूं 8 upon 9. Now this is 5 2s are 5 9s are, correct? 4 2s are 8 upon 9 और यहां भी 8 upon 9. They are equal. So here PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR. Therefore, here EF in the second case is parallel to QR. Alright? Okay. Now let's see the third case. Alright? Again, it's very easy here because everything given to you is direct. Now see PQ. PQ. This one. PQ. That is 1.28. PR, the whole side, that is 2.56. PE, this one, that is 0.18. And PF, this one, that is 0.36. So which ratio you will have to check? PE upon PQ. PE upon PQ. And next, similar one, PF upon FR. Sorry, not FR, PR. PR, correct? Because whole side. Now what is PE? 0.18. So if you remove the decimal, you will have 100 here. Two places of decimal. And what is PQ? 1.28. 128. Up you will have 100. 100 cancels. 4 से नहीं जाता है. 2 9s are. 2 6s are. 2 4s are. Now it's not divisible. So the ratio is 9 upon 64. PF 0.36. So 36 upon 100. Denominator में PR 2.56. So 256 and up you will have 100. Okay. Fine. 4 से जाता है? Yes. 4 9s are. 4 6s are 24. 4 4s are. You got that? 9 upon 64. So these are equal. These two ratios are equal. So you can say EF is parallel to QR. Got it? Let's proceed further with question 3 and question 4 of exercise 6.2. Believe me children, it's very easy. The figures might look little bit complex, complicated, but they are damn easy. Pick the basics. Alright? Let's see. In the first figure, what is given in the data? In the above figure, LM is parallel to BC. Well, I'll use some different color. LM, this one, is parallel to BC. This one. Alright? Take it. And LN is parallel to CD. LN. Let me use different color here as well. LN and CD. They are parallel. Prove that these two ratios are equal. Prove that these two ratios are equal. Let's watch. AM upon AB. AM upon AB. Oh children. AM. This one. Upon AB. This one. You can take this triangle ABC. Take that triangle ABC. Because you got LM parallel to BC. So you can get the ratio AM upon AB. Let me write this in green. AM upon AB. You will get from, you can say green triangle. You will get from green triangle. Are you getting me? You will get that ratio. But you won't get this. Now let's watch out for AN and AD. AN upon AD. AN upon AD. That is in blue triangle. AN upon AD. This triangle. This triangle. Correct? You can get AN upon AD, which will be AL upon AC. Got it? And result 1 and 2 gives transitivity. Result 1 and 2 will build transitivity. So you will get this green ratio equal to blue ratio. Let's check. Proof. Please. Okay, let me write for green. I'm not writing in detail, children. I'm just picking out. You all write today the proof nicely. In triangle ABC, MN is parallel to BC and intersects AB and AC respectively in points M and L by data. Therefore, AM upon AB is equal to, यहाँ से AL upon AC, AL upon AC. Result 1 by theorem 6.1. Correct? Now, here you wrote in triangle ABC. Similarly, here you will have to write in triangle ACD. ACD dot 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 dot. बताइए, in triangle ACD, LN is parallel to CD and it intersects AC and AD respectively in point L and N. डॉट 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 में आ गया. Therefore, आपको जो चाहिए वो लो, AN upon AD, AN upon AD is equal to what you get from here, AL upon AC, AL upon AC. Result 2 once again by theorem 6.1. See result 1 and 2. See the right hand side, AL upon AC, AL upon AC. So straight away write by 1 and 2. It follows that bolo AM upon AB, that's left hand side equal to left hand side, AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD. Proof. So easy. This is also similar. All right, let's see. All right, what is given in the data? In the above figure, DE is parallel to AC. Let me use green pen. DE and AC. Can you pick the triangle now? Yes. Yeah. A, C or B. This is the green triangle, you can say. Triangle ABC. Sorry. Yeah. Triangle ABC, correct? In which DE is parallel to AC. And DE intersects AB in point D and BC in point. You should not look at this red lines at all. वो red line को आप मत देखना. चलिए मैं ये काम पहला पूरा कर देता हूं. ओके, बाद में. Now, DF is parallel to AE. Let's see where is DF. DF, this is the red one. I'm keeping it red. All right. और blue कर देते. चलो, DF is parallel to AE. This one. देख लो children. A, E और B. ये blue वाला triangle मिला. In which DF is parallel to AE and it intersects AB in D and BE in F. Okay. What we have to prove? BF upon FE. Look here. BF upon FE. वो blue triangle का ही है. BF and FE. Can you see? So I'll use that. In triangle blue, ABE. ABE. I have to write this. In triangle ABE, DF is parallel to AE and it intersects AB and BE respectively in point D and F. Therefore, I can pick the ratio. This is in demand. So I should pick what I need. BF. So BF upon FE. BF upon FE. That will be what? Please, we have to see only blue side. BD upon AD. BD upon AD. Call it result 1. Of course, by theorem 6.1. Alright. Now let's see the green one. You can get this. BE. Kaha hai BE? This one. Upon EC. This one. Now we are talking about triangle ABC. BE upon EC is equal to BD upon AD. Green triangle को देखो. BE यहाँ green में BD है. EC यहाँ green में DA है. So in triangle green one ABC, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AC and it intersects AB and BC respectively in point D and E. Therefore, कौन सा लेने वाला है? BE upon EC. यहां से देख लो, BE upon EC. So BD upon AD is equal to BD upon AB. Result AD. BD upon AD it is. Alright, result 2. By theorem 6.1. Children, देख लो right hand side of result 1 and 2. BD upon AD, BD upon AD. So left hand sides are equal. So same way, by 1 and 2 it follows that BF upon FE is equal to this. Right hand side BF upon FE is equal to PE upon EC. I am not writing. Therefore, by 1 and 2 it follows that BF upon FE is equal to BE upon EC. Proved. Got it? Is it easy? Sure. We move to the last two sums of this session. Okay. Well, number 5. Question number 5 from exercise 6.2. What is given? In the above figure, DE is parallel to OQ. Let me use blue pen for that. DE, this one is parallel to OQ. This one, OQ. Hey children, this one is parallel to this. So this is a side of triangle. Which triangle? You can say this. OQ, POQ, that triangle. So I can pick up what I want. Okay. बाद में देखते हैं उसको. Okay. Now next one is DF parallel to OR. Where is DF? D is here, F is here. So this one DF is parallel to OR and this one is OR. Correct? Yeah, OR is a side of triangle POR and DF is parallel. So you got this triangle, red triangle now. This red triangle. Alright? So you can pick up any ratio. But here you don't have to show that two ratios are equal. You have to show EF is parallel to QR. EF is parallel to QR. Where is EF? I'm making it black. This one. This one is EF, children. And QR, this one. Children, this will be parallel to this in triangle black. Are you getting me? In this triangle black, if PE upon QE is equal to PF upon FR or PE upon PQ is equal to PF upon FR or QE upon whole PQ is equal to FR upon whole PF. Now out of these three, let's see what we get. Okay, first I'm going to pick up the blue triangle. Alright, so I'm writing. I'll use this space also if I require. Alright, to prove this. Chaliye. Proof. In triangle PQO. In triangle PQO. Children, one statement I'll write for you. In triangle PQO, ED is parallel to OQ and it intersects PQ and PO. Yeah, OP you can write respectively in points E and D. By data, this is by data, figure में ही है. Therefore, by theorem 6.1, PE upon QE, I'm getting that. PE upon QE. PE upon QE is equal to PD. PD upon OD. Yeah, DO. Result 1 by theorem 6.1. Now look in red triangle. In triangle red, that is POR. POR. This you have to write. Therefore, well, from this side, PF, here is the red side. PF upon FR PF upon FR is equal to, from this side, PO upon DOD, PO upon OD, PO, OP, OD, DO are one and the same. Result, sorry, it's not PO. See this, PF upon FR is equal to PD. I put my finger here so it look like, so this is PD upon OD. This is the result to again by theorem 6.1. Hey children, right hand sides are equal, PD upon OD. So left hand sides are equal. So you can write by 1 and 2, it follows that PE upon QE, PE upon QE is equal to PF upon FR, PF upon FR. Children, PE upon QE is equal to PF upon FR. You got that? And you have to prove EF is parallel to QR. Use theorem 6.2. Alright. So we can say, thus in triangle PQR, what we have? PE upon QE is equal to PF upon FR. Therefore, EF is parallel to QR by theorem 6.2. Proof. Got it? You may pause or take screenshot and write the proof of this example. Clear? Quickly I am going to erase and prove this. Okay. I'll use this part now. Alright. I use this part to prove. Okay, I'll remove this also. Fine. Now in this figure, let's see, in the above figure, A, B, C are points on AO, BO, CO respectively. Yes, A is on, it's not AO, PO. This is QO and this is RO. Alright, respectively. Such that, first thing, AB is parallel to PQ. Where is AB? This one. PQ. This one. Hey children, you got these points. So you got this triangle now. This triangle you got. So you can take the ratio PA upon OA is equal to QB upon atwa OA upon AP is equal to OB upon QB. You can take that ratio. Correct? Chalo. Next triangle, let's see. Next condition, AC is parallel to PR. Where is AC? Here. Black side. Parallel to PR. Here it is. The black side. Array, you got the triangle, children. POR. So this is the black triangle. आपको वही रेशियो, ए चिल्ड्रन ये कॉमन साइड होती है ना, तो वही रेशियो ले लो, AO अपॉन AP, यहां से भी AO अपॉन AP. ऑलराइट, ये कॉमन साइड हो गई दोनों ट्राइंगल की. ब्लू ट्राइंगल POQ, ब्लैक ट्राइंगल POR. सो हम कॉमन ले लेंगे, AO अपॉन AP विल गिव व्हाट इन ब्लू ट्राइंगल. ऑलराइट, चलिए प्रूव व्हाट. BC is parallel to QR. Here is BC and here is QR. They are parallel. Okay, here are the points. So this is the third vertex. So this is the red triangle that you are getting. So what do you have to prove? OB upon QB is equal to OC upon CR. वो तो मिल जाने वाले हैं दो से. So parallel हो गया. Right? I'm picking triangle. In triangle POQ, right? I'll write for one. In triangle POQ, AB is parallel to PQ and it intersects other two sides, that is OP and OQ in points A and B respectively. A and B respectively. Therefore, by theorem 6.1, children, this common side of both the triangles, AO upon AP is equal to, ये बाजू, BO upon BQ. Result 1 by theorem 6.1. Alright. Now I pick up the black triangle. In triangle black, that is POR. POR dot 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 means AC is parallel to PR and it intersects OP and OR respectively in point A and C. Therefore, what you are getting? Same, I am going to pick up same. AO upon AP. Here OC upon CR. AO upon AP is equal to AO upon AP. तो ये बाजू ब्लैक ट्राइंगल में CO upon CR. CO upon CR. Result number 2. By theorem 6.1. Every time if you don't write that, it's okay because you have written here. Fine. Fine. Okay. Children, let me tell you, if you don't want to write this, straight away you write. Straight away you write. Similarly, for triangle POR, we get, बोलिए what we get? AO upon AP is equal to CO upon CR. CO upon CR. Result 2. So no need to write. Similarly we got, so no need to write. Now by 1 and 2, it follows that. See this, AO upon AP, left hand sides are equal, so right hand sides are equal. CO upon CR is equal to BO upon BQ. Okay, result 3. BO upon BQ is equal to OC upon CR in this triangle. Therefore, in a triangle OQR, CO upon CR is equal to BO upon BQ by 3. Arey baba, BO upon BQ is equal to CO upon CR. So BC is parallel. Therefore, BC is parallel to QR by theorem 6.2. And this is proved. Got it? So here we end up our session today. Bye bye.